अपनी नर्सरी है, वहाँ पे हमारे सारे भाइयों का 19 प्लाट है जो हमने प्रॉपर रेलवे से लीज भी लिया है। इन्होंने ओपन ऑक्शन में सबसे ज़्यादा बोली दे के हमने प्लाट हासिल किया और नर्सरी बनाने में हमें पूरा 1 साल लगा। 5 साल का एग्रीमेंट था और 2 साल का हमने एडवांस किराया जमा किया था। 1 साल बाद इन्होंने हमें नोटिस भेजा कि जगह खाली कर दो। हमने इसको नोटिस का जवाब दे कि ये भी तो हमारा 1 साल हुआ है और आपके साथ हमारा 2 साल का एडवांस किराया भी जमा है और अभी हमने काम भी शुरू नहीं किया है, तो किस वजह से हम जगह खाली कर दो। लेकिन इन्होंने हमारी कोई बात नहीं सुनी। हम डीएस साहब के पास भी गए, उन्होंने कोई बात नहीं सुनी। उन्होंने बस फिर यही कहा कि आप मिनिस्टर से बात करें। हम मिनिस्टर साहब के पास भी गए, उन्होंने भी हमारी कोई बात नहीं सुनी। हम अदालत चले गए, अदालत ने हमें स्टे दे दिया। तीसरी तारीख पे 15 तारीख को हमारी तारीख थी 15 मई को, तो इन रेलवे के वकील ने अदालत में दरखास्त जमा की कि हम आर्बिट्रेशन में जाना चाहते हैं, हम इसके साथ बैठ के फैसला करना चाहते हैं। हम मान गए, हमने कहा ठीक है फैसला कर लेते हैं। 16 तारीख को जुम्मे के दिन रेलवे हुक्काम और इस्लामाबाद पुलिस और रेलवे पुलिस 1:30 बजे बिल्कुल जुम्मे की नमाज के टाइम आके हमारे नर्सरियों पे दावा बोल दिया और नर्सरी बिल्कुल बदमार कर दिए, हमारा करोड़ों का नुकसान कर दिया। हम जनाब वज़ीर आज़म साहब और सदर साहब और वज़ीर आला पंजाब मरियम नवाज को अपील करते हैं कि इसका नोटिस दे और इसका अदाला करें।
Yourself and why today you are here in front of National Press Club?
I'm Bashir Ansari, Chairman, Marble Nursery Association. We are protesting here in the Press Club. You know, Pakistan Railway and especially the Railway Minister have brutally destroyed our nursery. And you know, especially we are legal. We have win the auction bid. They have published all, major newspapers. And we have stayed in the court, the Valor State Court. They have destroyed, with the heavy machinery, with the police, railway police, and the railway staff. They have brutally destroyed all 19 nurseries. And what we are doing, we are initiating our Green Pakistan. The pollution, the Lahore was #1 in smoke. We are fighting against the pollution, against the smoke, and we have built up very good nurseries and millions of rupees we have spent. We have switched our business, and we are covering very heavy, costly plants, 2 million, 3 million. They brutally destroy all the nursery, all the plants.
What are your demands right now?
Nothing to demand. They have lost in crores loss. First, the court has ordered the arbitration. Nobody are coming for the arbitration. They destroy the nursery in lieu of arbitration. We are asking, sit together, compensate our loss. We are legally won. First of all, so we are in a binding contract. They should, our contract should be restored so we can do our business.
Thank
so
you.
Our loss should be compensated by court. We are request Prime Minister, Chief Minister, and all, also, Minister.
My name is Abu Bakr Sadiq and I came from Thailand.
Okay.
Before I have a business in Thailand, but I came here to start my business in Pakistan. But Pakistani government not allowed to start my business and they demolish my business and destroy everything, and I have faced a lot of money.
You did not mention about your business. What kind of business you were running here, and you said it was the demolished. Can you please explain about your business?
Yeah, I have a plant business.
Okay.
And I do import and export plant business in Pakistan. And I'm doing this business more than 20 years.
Okay. How much you paid to government of Pakistan?
About lease,
Yeah.
I have paid a lot of money, about 2.5 million for lease, 2 years rent.
So what happened after that?
After that, they demolish everything and destroy my all nurseries. 19 nurseries demolished.
How much loss you got through the nursery?
Each nursery 2.5 crore, like 3 crores, and about I lost my 1.5 crore.
What are your demands right now?
My demand is they give me my money back, which I lost, and I want to go back Thailand and I start my business in Thailand. I don't want to stay here and I don't want to work here.
Thank you.